Now you are in surgery, but still, your surgery was not over. You can hear the murmuring of busy doctors and the rhythmic beeping of a heart monitor. Can you even imagine a situation like that? If you are experiencing these, your surgery is not over. What will happen if so? Yes, today we are going to tell you a type of horror story for you. In the upcoming sections of this video, we'll talk about what if you wake up during surgery. So, are you ready to experience something unexpected? We're sure you are. Here is what it looks like. The doctors are operating an internal organ of yours. You can feel something painful. Soon after realizing it, your heart rate increases at large. You are panicking on a special occasion. Your eyes also keep opening, but a kind of blur surrounding is experienced by you. Now, due to the pain, due to the ongoing operation, involuntarily, you try to scream and wake up during the process. After you wake up, now the doctors are also panicked. Now, the doctors are trying to make you asleep again. This is just an imagination, but can it happen? What happens if you wake up during surgery? Is there anyone who has experienced and been told they have undergone it during surgery? This is quite not so a simple question. Seems to be somewhat complex, but a familiar question in the present world. Before surgery starts, surgeons provide you with a relevant dose of anesthesia to make you asleep during the process, so that you do not experience any pain throughout the process of surgery or till the end of an operation. We all have experienced how we feel when a paper blade cuts our fingers, but when your body is being cut just by a scalpel, you wake up and you suddenly observe it. Most of the time, a dramatic situation like this can occur. Sometimes you are not injected by 1 or 2 of every 1,000 surgical procedures using general anesthesia. During the research, there had been taken around 200,000 participants. Among them, the consciousness experienced during surgery was 0.0068% of patients. It is a very small number, right? This is a phenomenon known as anesthesia awareness. Here is what a patient had felt due to this after recalling the nature during his surgery. He had heard some people surround him and cutting his body. He had heard the cutting noise due to lack of consciousness. This might end up being somewhat embarrassing for the surgeons who were caught not putting on a professional front, thinking they could get away with a jam session while you were under the surgery process. If you are under enough anesthesia during a complicated surgery, you can't wake up at all. It is not even possible. If you have superpowers, you can awake during a complicated surgery, but a false memory can force you to think that a person is awakened during surgery. Because your memories are complex and often unreliable, there is a lot of evidence to suggest that like they got up during surgery. How would you feel if this happened to you? Don't forget to comment about it below. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. So let your brain to think.